Welcome back to Bike Reviews Pro, your go-to channel for in-depth motorcycle reviews and the latest two-wheeled machines hitting the streets and trails. Today, we're taking a first look at the all-new 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050, a powerful leap forward in Suzuki's off-road lineup that blends big-bore muscle with modern motocross tech. Design and styling, aggressive and purpose-built. The RM-Z 1050 carries an aggressive stance with sharp, race-inspired bodywork. The new graphics, slimmer radiator shrouds, and redesigned seat offer a more streamlined, competition-ready appearance. Suzuki has shaved off unnecessary bulk while reinforcing durability where it matters most. The 2026 model looks lean, fast, and ready for battle. Engine and performance, the 1,050 cubic centimeters revolution. At the heart of the RM-Z 1050 is a brand new 1,050 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, a first for the RM-Z series. Designed for peak torque and explosive throttle response, this power plant delivers over 70 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful dirt bikes in its class. With a revised fuel injection system and enhanced cooling, it performs reliably under extreme racing conditions. A lightweight exhaust system adds a throaty, aggressive note that matches its performance. Chassis and handling built to dominate tracks. The RM-Z 1050 features a new aluminum twin-spar frame with optimized rigidity for better feedback and cornering precision. Suzuki's updated suspension setup includes fully adjustable Showa forks and a high-performance rear shock, allowing riders to fine-tune their settings for any terrain. Lighter wheels and revised geometry make the bike agile through whoops, jumps, and tight turns. Technology and features smart for the dirt. For 2026, Suzuki adds advanced electronics including launch control, multiple engine mapping modes, and traction control. A new bar-mounted selector lets riders switch settings on the fly. The compact LCD screen displays essential ride data, while Bluetooth connectivity allows tuning and diagnostics via smartphone. Final thoughts, a new era for RM-Z. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 isn't just bigger, it's smarter, faster, and more refined. Whether you're chasing hole shots or carving up trails, this machine delivers pro-level performance straight out of the crate. Suzuki has truly raised the bar in the big-bore motocross segment. Thanks for watching Bike Reviews Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert motorcycle reviews. See you in the next ride.